One product is changing the cleaning industry by replacing just about every cleaning product in your home or office. Powerizer Complete cleans everything dirty, and Monica Ortega shares more. She's with us. Talk about how we use Powerizer.
Well, Powerizer can be used in a powder, or you can use it in a concentrated solution. So you can take 1 scoop and pour it in this bottle here, and you can now use it to clean just about everything in your home.
Oh my goodness, I love how this works. So you can do this for your laundry. That's one thing you can do, right?
Yes.
Now, how does that work?
So if you're going to use it in the laundry, all you need is 1 scoop.
Oh,
you just pour it in the drum.
Your other detergent, you just throw that in.
Exactly. You can also use it in the dishwasher.
Now, do we have to add anything? Like, do I have to go ahead and add a Tide Pod or something in there to go ahead and clean my clothes?
It's going to replace everything for laundry. So you don't need anything else. All those other additives, you can eliminate them. It has enzymes in it that are going to break down the stains. It has an deodorizer in it. It also has a color-safe bleach, and it's a machine cleaner.
Okay, so I'm sitting there thinking, oh my God, you know how clean my laundry room in general will be because I can get rid of all this other stuff I'm adding into my laundry every single day. Let's go to the machine cleaner you were just talking about. These front loaders, you know as well as I do, they can keep that film and residue kind of in there for some reason, but this can actually clean the machine itself.
No different from when you take a bath and you have a ring around the tub. Same thing happens with your machine. So you're going to want to take 1 scoop and throw it into the drum and then run it on an empty cycle. You're going to do the same thing with your dishwasher. You only need 3/4 of a scoop though. You put that in the dispenser. So the first time you're going to run it with an empty cycle, and then after that, every single time you use Powerizer for laundry and dishes, it's cleaning your machine.
Cleaning your machine, plus it's cleaning everything else that you're using it for, which is wonderful. I mean, that's the nice thing. You can get rid of all the other products in your room, whether it be your kitchen or your laundry room or something like that. Now, talk about my carpet, toilet, other surfaces in the bathroom.
So you have a concentrated mixture here, so you can use this to pre-treat your stains on your clothes. You can use it to clean any surface, so you can just create a pre-treat. Now you can use it on your tile, your toilet.
Right?
Yes, so this is actually more of a concentrated powder, so you can use it in the powder form. So if you just wanted to add a little bit of solution here, and then you can take a rag and you can see there's a little bit of stain on the, and you can just kind of break down.
Look at that. I love how this works. So, Monica, we have to tell folks how they can find this because they're going to be wanting to buy this right now. Powerizer Complete cleans everything dirty and is easy to use. Pour, wipe, sponge, you name it. Scrub, mop. Order today. Visit PowerizerClean.com. Use promo code MileHigh and you'll receive 15% off. Powerizer offers a 30-day money-back guarantee. Powerizer paid for today's segment. And what a great way to end the show with something nice, clean, and I can even smell through my sinuses, believe it or not, how wonderful it is. It's wonderful. Love it.